The drone industry has been waiting for a massive shift, and it looks like it is finally here with the DJI Mini 6 Pro, a machine that completely redraws the boundaries of what a sub-250-gram aircraft can achieve. Everyone thought the sub-quarter-kilogram category had reached its absolute physical limits because of strict regulatory laws, but engineers have apparently shattered the ceiling with the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. Rumors from deep within the supply chain indicate that this next-generation micro-drone is about to introduce commercial-grade optics and unprecedented processing power to a frame that still fits in the palm of your hand. This is not just a minor refresh or a simple cosmetic update, because every single internal component of the DJI Mini 6 Pro has been redesigned to maximize efficiency and bypass the physical limitations that previously choked small sensors. Industry insiders are whispering about a radical sensor architecture in the DJI Mini 6 Pro that utilizes a stacked design to completely change how a dynamic range is captured in low-light conditions. Photographers and videographers who have been forced to carry massive heavy setups just to get cinema-quality footage are looking at these DJI Mini 6 Pro specifications with absolute disbelief. The implications of this launch are massive because the DJI Mini 6 Pro bridges the gap between casual hobbyist flying and high-end commercial production without requiring a commercial license in many regions. We are looking at a complete overhaul of the propulsion system on the DJI Mini 6 Pro, which reportedly utilizes newly engineered field-oriented control electronic speed controllers coupled with high-efficiency motors to drastically improve wind resistance. For years, the biggest flaw of lightweight aircraft has been their inability to stay stable when coastal winds or high-altitude gusts start pushing them around, but this new design aims to fix that permanently. Sources claim that the aerodynamic profile of the DJI Mini 6 Pro has been optimized to slice through turbulent air while consuming significantly less battery power, which brings the projected flight time to numbers we have never seen in this weight class. Imagine having the ability to keep this ultra-portable aircraft hovering steadily in 22-knot winds while capturing rock-solid footage that looks like it was shot from a heavy tripod. The mechanical stability is further enhanced by a completely redesigned 3-axis gimbal on the DJI Mini 6 Pro that allows for an expanded tilt range, including vertical shooting and extreme upward angles that were previously blocked by the drone body itself. This gives creators the freedom to look straight up into canopy structures or towering skyscrapers, opening up entirely new creative angles that standard consumer drones could never achieve. At the absolute heart of this massive upgrade is the rumored DJI Mini 6 Pro image sensor, which is said to be a customized multi-aspect chip capable of native dual-native ISO. This means the low-light performance will no longer suffer from the typical digital noise that plagues small consumer aircraft when the sun dips below the horizon. Instead, creators using the DJI Mini 6 Pro can expect clean, sharp imagery at high ISO values, allowing for stunning twilight and nighttime cityscapes that look crisp and professional. The resolution capabilities are also taking a massive leap forward, with reports pointing toward a high megapixel count on the DJI Mini 6 Pro that allows for detailed digital cropping without losing essential sharpness. Combined with an upgraded internal image processor, this system can handle massive data streams in real time, enabling advanced color profiles like 10-bit log recording directly to the internal storage or fast microSD cards. The level of color grading flexibility this provides means that your DJI Mini 6 Pro footage can easily match with high-end cinema cameras in post-production, making it a viable B-cam option for serious filmmakers. Autonomy and safety are also getting a massive intelligence boost through a new DJI Mini 6 Pro omnidirectional obstacle sensing matrix that utilizes ultra-wide-angle binocular vision sensors. Previous generations had slight blind spots that could cause catastrophic crashes during complex tracking maneuvers, but the DJI Mini 6 Pro leaves absolutely no angle unmonitored. The onboard AI computer is powerful enough to construct a real-time, three-dimensional map of the surrounding environment, allowing the DJI Mini 6 Pro to actively plot paths around dense branches, power lines, and complex architectural elements. This means that when you engage the advanced tracking algorithms, the drone does not just follow blindly, but instead behaves like an experienced camera operator, navigating obstacles smoothly without breaking the cinematic flow of the shot. Even in complex environments like deep forests or crowded urban alleys, the tracking system of the DJI Mini 6 Pro maintains a solid lock on the subject while calculating predictive paths if the target is temporarily obscured. The transmission system is another area where major upgrades are taking place with the introduction of a new DJI Mini 6 Pro long-range digital signal protocol that operates over multiple frequency bands simultaneously. This robust connection is engineered to cut through heavy electromagnetic interference, which is the single biggest cause of signal drops and screen stuttering when flying in crowded metropolitan areas. The range extension on the DJI Mini 6 Pro is impressive on paper, but the real benefit is the stability of the live feed, giving pilots a crystal-clear, low-latency view of their shot, even when the aircraft is miles away or behind dense foliage. This creates a massive sense of confidence while flying the DJI Mini 6 Pro, knowing that your control link and video stream are virtually bulletproof throughout the entire flight. Battery technology has undergone a subtle chemistry shift to extract more energy density out of every single gram of weight, allowing the DJI Mini 6 Pro flight times to push well past 45 minutes on a standard pack. For a drone that stays under the crucial regulatory weight limit, this is an absolute engineering marvel, because every extra minute in the air gives creators more time to scope out angles, wait for the perfect light, and execute complex movements without constant battery anxiety. The intelligent charging hub has also been updated to support faster power delivery, ensuring that you can get back into the sky quickly with the DJI Mini 6 Pro without carrying an excessive number of spare batteries. Every element of this upcoming release seems meticulously calculated to disrupt the market and force competitors to completely reevaluate their product roadmaps. As we look closer at the design changes, the DJI Mini 6 Pro airframe itself is rumored to use advanced carbon fiber composites that offer superior rigidity compared to standard plastics while reducing overall structural weight. This increased stiffness directly translates to better flight handling and less vibration entering the camera sensor, which further enhances image clarity. The folding mechanism of the DJI Mini 6 Pro has been refined to be even sleeker, ensuring that the arms lock into place with absolute precision and no mechanical play. The props have been redesigned with a unique swept tip geometry that minimizes aerodynamic drag and lowers the acoustic profile, making the DJI Mini 6 Pro incredibly quiet in the air. This low noise output is critical for content creators who need to film in public spaces or natural environments without drawing unnecessary attention or disturbing wildlife. Software integration is also taking a huge leap forward with a brand new app ecosystem for the DJI Mini 6 Pro that automates complex cinematic movements with a single tap. Users can select from a wide array of pre-programmed flight paths that mimic Hollywood-style crane shots, complex reveals, and dramatic tracking sequences without needing years of piloting experience. The internal storage capacity of the DJI Mini 6 Pro is expected to get a significant boost, as well, giving pilots a reliable backup option if they ever forget their memory cards at home or run out of space during a long shoot. The convenience factor combined with raw professional performance makes the unreleased DJI Mini 6 Pro the most anticipated technology launch in the aerial imaging space.